Okay, so here we go. We're going to talk about bead installation. So you're going to have this bead installer. It looks almost like a larger needle. If you do sewing of any kind, you have this opening here. And what you want to do is the bead that you want to be on the end of the hair. You want to start out with that one first. So I want the smaller beads on the end. So I'm going to thread the bead down, and then I'm going to put the taller bead on top. So I just literally push those beads down over that hole. And then you also have a rubber band. So the rubber band is to secure the beads on the end. You take the hair that you braided and you stick it through the loop here. So you just through the loop. And once you have it through the loop, you can push the beads up. I'm sorry. Push the beads up, pull the hair through, and push the beads up. Once you get the beads on the hair, you just pull down the smallest bead, and at the very tip, you want to just take your rubber band and pull over, and take the rubber band over it a couple of times. I would say maybe 3 to 4 times, and then that's going to secure your bead. And I normally push the rubber band up a little bit so it'll be on the part of the hair, and then I just drag the other tall bead down. And that's it. That's how you install the bead into there.